sure it's still red. Pretty sure it's still red. Yet. Fuckers trying to cut in at the last minute, making everyone slam on their brakes. What an arsehole. Stay at the giveaway line and barge your way through. Fucking hell! What are you doing, you fucking idiots? Just fucking pull out on me. Fucking hell. I guess, but it's just autumn. What was that? That was very strange. God, you stupid fucking idiot. Oh, you're not going that way, that indicating, are you? Shit fucking driver, not indicating. What the hell? That's not the best place to fucking park. Fucking hell. What are you doing with your hazard lights on? Okay, we just stopped randomly in the road. Why not? Oh, we're going again? No, no. Maybe stop it again. Okay, fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. That guy's driving on the pavement. You're a brain dead moron. What the hell are you doing? What's that? Red. Straight to green again. It's the other car could see the guy in the kitted out with the high vis jacket, trousers, but no, wasn't enough to see him. Car was like, no, fuck it, going through. Oh my god! Fucking hell, man.
Surprise, motherfucker.
What the fuck? Jesus. Fucking awesome. Bullying me out the fucking way. Dickhead bus driver.